Holding the birds up. Sorry, Skittles, but you're my favorite bird. Go up. Holding Soleils up. Soleils, come on. No Soleils. Sorry, Skittles. Should I take Skittles up? Not sure. Time to put Coco. Soleils. You know the YouTubers is looking at you. Okay, for cockatiels and California birds, I believe this should be for you. No. If you want to look closely at Soleils, Soleils, no, Soleils, no. Hopefully you guys do. Okay. There's one bird book missing. The guys, not sure what the other bird Bobo is. What? Sorry if this taking long for you. What? I heard that bird. Bobo. Sorry guys, I'm not sure where the other bird is. I think we lost him. God, please help me. Guys, I'm very sorry. I'm not sure what the other bird is. No.
None of it.
We came to look at a 500 quid car all thereabouts, something under a grand. Yep. And here we are now, we've got a guy that wants to sell us this car for 2 grand, which we don't have. 2 grand up in the
I might actually have to make a part 2. God help me. What? Help me, help me. Guys, thank you. The Bobo's up there. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Subscribe to Skittles Land. Let's get 20 subscribers. Good job if you do it. You get a brag tag. More heaven time if you subscribe. By the way, Skittles is a girl. It's just I want you to sub. I mean, you need to reach 20 or 25 subscribers. please leave a like and comment, subscribe, even share, okay? Just want to make sure. Bye. Just sub.